If you've lost access to your AliExpress account and don't have your phone number, you can still recover your account by following these steps. This guide will help you regain access through alternative methods. Step 1. Visit the AliExpress login page. Go to the official AliExpress website and click on the Sign In button. This will take you to the login page where you can start the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it. This will direct you to the password recovery options available. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your AliExpress account. Make sure it is the correct email that you used during registration, as this is crucial for receiving recovery instructions. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email, check your inbox for a password reset email from AliExpress. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password. If you don't see the email, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Create a new password. Once you access the password reset link, create a new password for your account. Make sure it is strong and secure. After resetting your password, you can log into your account using the new credentials. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to AliExpress customer support for further assistance.